Hi everyone, in this video, we'll be learning how to reduce a matrix from reduce row echelon form, and then to reduce row echelon form from here to here. So now, these are the steps to show the steps are given here, this and this. So this is our example of a matrix in row echelon form. We will want it to reduce to this form. So let's start off. First step, we ensure that the matrix is in row echelon form. So step 1, done. Now step 2, not yet. Let's start off first. As you can see, let's do our rows first. So this is row 1. This is row 2. This is row 3. So now we will use the leading entries to eliminate all the other entries in each column by pivoting upwards. So usually when we reduce our matrix to row echelon form, we pivot downwards, which means we start from row 1. However, now we start with row 3, that means we start from column 3, not column 1, because we want to eliminate the entries in the entries above 1 in column 3. So let's start off from row 3. So this, we will start off from here. So now first step is minus 3 times of row 3 plus row 2 to eliminate the variables here. And eliminate the variable in this, sorry about that, to eliminate the variable here. And now we also want to add 2 times of row 3 and add to row 1. Why? To eliminate the variable here. So we can start off in this form. So by starting from here, 0, 0, 1, 2, these are all the constant coefficient. These are the variables like your x, y, and z variables. So now for this one, that means for here is minus 3 times 1 equals to minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. Minus 3 times 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. And here minus 3 times 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 0 equals to 0. And now here minus 3 times 2 equals to minus 6. Minus 6 plus 7 equals to 1. And now to eliminate the entry in column 1, row 1 of column 1. So it's 2 times of row 3 plus row 1. So it's 2 times 1 equals to 2. 2 minus 2 equals to 0. Here 2 minus 0, 2 times 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. Here 2 times 0 equals to 0. 0 plus 1 equals to 1. And now here 2 times 2 equals to 4. 4 minus 2 equals to 2. So now we have already eliminated the entries in this column. Now let's eliminate the entries in column 2. Therefore, This is row 1, our new row 1. This is our new row 2. This is our new row 3. So now you want to eliminate the entry above this leading one, make it to 0. So we add minus 1 times of row 2 plus row 1. So the third row will be undisturbed. So 0, 0, 1, 2. Second row will be undisturbed. 0, 1, 0, 1. So now for this, minus 0 plus 0 will give me 0. Minus 1 plus 1 will give me 0. Minus 0 plus 1 will give me 1. And now for this, minus 1 plus 2 will give me 1. So now this is still our matrix of with our coefficient constant. So now our system is in reduced row echelon form. So now we have already learned, this is done. So we have learned how to reduce a matrix from row echelon form to reduced row echelon form. As you can see here, the leading entries are 1. And in this column, 1 is the only non-zero entry. Same for this and this. And for this is the coefficient constant, like an equation of x plus y plus z equals to 1. So in this case, this falls under your coefficient constant here. So this is not important. What only matters is this, we make it in a diagonal form, in a reduced row echelon form. So hence, we have come to the end of this lesson. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment and I will reply to your comment. Thanks so much and have a nice day.